Hey, reverse. Beautiful. Holy mother. Oh.
Okay.
Thank you.
Let's see.
Hand to hand, we can't do this on our own. Side by side on this crazy ride, beats going it alone. Make the climb, still got time. If we don't drag our heels, throw all caution to the wind, and our weight against the wheels. Rolling, keep rolling, rolling like a freedom train. Rolling, keep rolling, rolling like a freedom train. Come on, friend, just round the bend. We might be nearer than it seems. Let's push this thing against the odds, inch closer to our dreams. Make our way, take each day and every milestone as they come. Trade our time and our energy for our moments in the sun. Rolling, keep rolling, rolling like a freedom train. Rolling, keep rolling, rolling like a freedom train.
Watch your feet, watch your feet. There you go. Very nice.
She's the finest steam train ever built with the 611 Class J. On the run over the mountains up Christiansburg Way, and no train could ever pull that hill like the 611 Class J. See the stack belching smoke, feel the rhythm of the wheels. She's poetry in motion on the roadway made of steel. She's the pride of the NMW, and she rolls again today. She's the finest steam train ever built, the 611 Class J.